In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a powerful Notion to-do list. We'll move from logging in to having a clean, focused task system you can trust, all using Notion's built-in templates so you don't have to build from scratch. Start by heading to notion.com and clicking Login in the top right corner. If you already use Google with Notion, choose Continue with Google and select the account you normally use. This gets you into your workspace quickly and keeps everything synced across devices. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Marketplace. This opens Notion's template gallery, which is full of pre-built task systems designed by Notion and the community. Templates are a great way to skip the setup and jump straight to organizing. In the search bar at the top of the marketplace, type to-do list and press enter. You'll see a range of task management templates, from simple checklists to more advanced databases. Browse until you find a to-do list template that feels intuitive for your workflow. Some prioritize minimal design, while others include advanced properties and multiple views. Choose what matches the way you like to think and plan. This ensures you'll actually use it. Click Add to bring the template into your workspace. Notion will import it with the structure and views intact so you can start customizing without any heavy lifting. From your workspace sidebar, open the newly added page, often called something like Advanced To-Do List. Most of these templates include filtered views such as today, this week, this year, and upcoming tasks. These views are simply saved filters that surface what matters right now or in the near future. Click the Today view to zero in on tasks that need immediate attention. When you're planning, switch over to this week or this year to map out medium and long-term goals. Upcoming tasks is helpful for spotting items you don't want to lose track of. Next, customize how you see your tasks. Click the settings gear icon at the top of the template, go to Layout, and choose the view that suits you. Table is a great choice for a clear, editable overview because you can see task names, due dates, priorities, and other properties in one place. Now, manage your tasks. Click on any task to open its details. Update the task name so it's clear and actionable. Set or change due dates to control when it appears in each filtered view, and adjust the priority if that option is available. Priorities help you focus when everything feels important. Short, specific titles and realistic due dates make a big difference. With this setup, you'll have a powerful, flexible Notion to-do list that keeps you organized and focused on what matters most. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.